Well done, Douglas. Amazing performance today. Thank you. I'll go and greet these controllers now. Yeah, and it's all well done from me too. You've done yourself proud today. Tell you what, why don't we check the sheds and see if some workmen are around? We can get you all polished and painted brand new.
Here, the controller from the South Coast wanted me to give you this letter.
Thanks.
Well, what's it say?
It says that he wants us to join his railway, talking about how it would solve the Topham's financial crisis. We would pull the express.
The Express?
What's this about the express?
Oh, nothing to do with you for once, Waddy.
Oh, whatever. I haven't time to dawdle. I've got to get rid of this goods train. Excuse me, where is everyone today?
Aye, did nobody tell you? The mine's being closed down today.
Why, is there a problem with the machinery? I could go and fetch it for you. I've been concentrating on my branch line for a while, you see, because of all the accidents that have been happening.
No, Thomas, you don't understand. It's closed. Forever.
What?
Hello, sir. How was the meeting?
Well, I think we have a dilemma on our hands. There's a strong possibility that we could be losing an engine by the year's end.
What's up with him?
I have a sneaking suspicion that I know.
Lady, are you alright?
Oh, that brother of yours seems to have a temper on him today. He just rode in here complaining about how he didn't get to be a part of that train you pulled this morning. Something about a brotherly code.
He always was the more feisty one, my brother. Just ignore him. I usually do.
Yeah, noted. Anyway, why did you come down here?
To talk to you, actually. You're the one who always knows how to solve an engine's troubles.
Apparently. Do tell.
When I pulled the train into Knapford this morning, the guard gave my driver a letter from one of the controllers. They asked me to come to their railway as their express engine.
That's great!
Aye, but only I will go. I'll be leaving Donald behind. I didn't want to do that.
You can't just be with one another all the time. That'd be ridiculous. You should know what you want, no matter if Donald likes it or not. You are your own engine, you know?
I'm nae sure I'd see it like that.
Maybe not, but that's not important. You being happy is.
Thomas, did someone tell you?
Yeah, I don't get it. How could you have kept a secret as big as this to yourself?
I only found out yesterday evening. I tried finding you, I really did, but you weren't around.
I know. This isn't your fault, Duck. I'm just upset. Ignore me.
Not a chance, mate. You're my dearest friend, and I'm just going to sit by and watch you cry alone. Come back to the shed so we can talk.
I don't cry anymore, Duck. We both know that. Go and wait for me at the sheds. I'll be over in a minute. Every day I find the parts of me that let me down. And the parts of me that tell me it's all going to be okay. I hope that's true because every day I think I lose a bit more of you, Rose. Today it just so happens that everyone else does as well.
Hey, lady. Has Douglas passed through here?
Yeah? Why?
Did he mention anything to you? Anything that might be bothering him, perhaps?
Yeah, he did actually.
What's it?
Edward, if you think I'm going to tell you, then you're more stupid than I thought. I would never betray Nathan's trust like that.
Thanks for the help.
And then a duck popped out of his water tank. It was hilarious. Me old manager, we laughed when he found out, and that big edger never bothered me again.
I don't know if I could get away with that. Between Gordon and Sir Topham, I think I'd have been put on night duty for a month.
Hey, what's gotten you so cheerful?
Just Duck's old tales of teasing big engines.
You don't even know, do you? About the mine?
I do actually. Duck was trying to cheer me up, thanks Toby.
Sorry, I do know what it's like, you know, losing a place you loved.
Oh really? If you did, I doubt you'd be over here talking about it.
Come on, Thomas, be fair. Besides, I think it'd make a good story. What did you lose, Toby?
My old railway, remember, Thomas?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, Toby.
I should think so too.
Well, go on. Carry on then.
Alright, it went a little something like this. In my early days, I loved trundling along my line. Me and Henrietta loved the hillside villages and the coastal runs. However, one day, that all changed. Hello, Scruff.
When are you gonna stop calling me that?
When I'm dead.
Well, that may be sooner than you think, Toby. So, don't hold your breath. With the war scars at an all-time high, I'm going to ask you two to do something a bit risky. Take those tankers out to the farms. We may need them out of the way in case of an air raid. Toby, go first. I need Scruff to move Henrietta as a resident shunter.
Of course, sir. Little did I know what would happen next. What in blazes?
What the? Toby?
After that, all the profits went down the drain. Oh no, he never really was a part of the war, and never really served under me when I went to France to help out, but I'll always consider him a member of my platoon. It feels great to not have to worry about going out to war anymore.
What happened? Did your platoon make it?
Oh, but one. He was a good engine, a hard worker. He always preferred Desmond to Scruff.
I'm still unsure. This place gave us a chance when nobody else would.
Maybe so, but you can't afford these opportunities to pass you by. You have amazing potential, Douglas. Why not make it count?
Maybe so. My very own Express. Here, do you think they'd repaint me to number 1?
I doubt it, personally. So are you going to tell me exactly what you're planning to do? Or do I have to make a guess?